Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where for some reason you can't post, a comment on Instagram. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Let's say you're on Instagram and you want to go ahead and post a comment under a photo. Well, you want to first make sure that the comments are, able to be posted on that photo. Sometimes there might be a photo or some sort of, caption out there that might not allow you to go ahead and basically do that. So just make sure that's not the case. That's kind of the number one thing I'd recommend doing. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be causing any problems, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to make sure you have an active internet connection. Sometimes your internet connection may not properly be working, and you might have to go through and just redo your internet connection. So try going inside of your internet, settings of your phone or whatever device you have, and try toggling on your proper internet connection. That right there can be another really easy way of kind of fixing that problem as well. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, you might want to try going through and updating your Instagram application. So go inside of your app store like this, click onto your search bar, and all you're going to want to do here is type in Instagram. So type in Instagram just like this, and go ahead and try updating the Instagram application. A lot of the times, just updating the Instagram app can sometimes end up fixing the problem for you, and that's another one of those things I'd recommend doing as well. Now, if you're still not able to leave a comment, let's say you're trying to leave a comment and it's not working, you can try closing out of Instagram, opening it back up, but those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this problem as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.